we go. Basically what I'm doing here, I've got hold of some pretty rough topsoil, got loads of stones in, and I want it to fill some holes in my lawn where a telehandler went and squished it. So, get the stones out, here's the theory. Gently does it, and then I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. There we go. So what we have is some timber which we milled from some trees we had to get down because they were falling down. 40 quid on a bit of rabbit hutch. Great, there's some chicken wire underneath it just to add a bit of strength to it. I've got to clear these, what do you call it, tailings now I suppose, because they build up a lot quicker, but there's a lot of stone in this lot. And then what we're left with is that, which I'm happy with that. Turn it from this stuff full of stone and roots and whatever into that. No more than some 2x4s screwed together. 45 degrees I did that at, whether that's the right angle for it or not. But it seems to work. Doesn't seem to clog up. I'm not saying it's full up now. I'll have to empty that. It's a bit of a pain. So shoveling stone in my future, looking at that. There we go, happy with that. And then we have it. I've got to rake this out obviously, but it's just 2 bucket loads. Dump that in about the space of maybe 2 minutes or whatever. Get that raked out, and then hopefully that'll help that start sorting itself out instead of being a quick update on the soil screen. And the reason I'm doing it is you can't really make this out, but basically there's a massive dip there, and when it rains we've got loads of clay in this soil. It's shocking. It's not so bad since I put some drainage stuff in, but it's got a tendency to sit there for a little bit. So my theory is to get some of that topsoil spread on. The grass should hopefully come through it. It might not be this year, but maybe next year. And then gradually level it out, because I've got a French drain that goes in here, so if the water has to come that way, hopefully it can work its way through the topsoil rather than, because literally we've got a bit of turf and then it goes straight to clay, so this stays wet. So it's the same the other side of the path. The dip's even bigger there, so I'll do that, and then when I get some more soil, hopefully the grass has grown a bit and it will come up. And then again here, we did have an old tank, we were on oil heating, and when we had it taken out we gave it to a local farmer. He used a telehandler to pick it up, and this ground bin is where it is. You can kind of see the straight line. That's where one of the tracks was. Even though we had boards down, it still sunk down. And again, when it rains we get little puddles there, so I'm going to try and build it up with topsoil and even it out. It makes mowing it easy as well, because at the moment it's a bit kind of off-roady. You go around on a ride or mow and you're going down dips and getting bumped all over the place. So hopefully this topsoil, and again there, put some there. This is a great big dip here. You can see where there's a French drain under the ground there. That's what that scorch mark is. It's very thin, just literally turf over top of stone, and then a ditch about 2 foot deep. Again, another dip there. I'm going to try and level all this out. It's going to take a while, but with the old soil screener, hopefully I want something. We'll see. I feel amazing being on this high.